So what if we find Northerners in Western? What should we do? We also chase them. This will bring genocide.
Hello, mine is very brief. My name is Betty. I just want to respond to this lady who was speaking on the television. Those who marched to the parliament because the eviction is almost taking place. Because the government said they should pack their cattle and leave actually land. Now you are saying you will never leave, you will never go, you have nowhere to go. First of all, where did you come from? Where did you come from? Really? Are you not going anywhere? Okay. Leave alone that. This lady says this is tribalism and they will never go anywhere. And this will cause genocide. Genocide? My dear people, are you hearing these people talking of genocide? Because they did genocide in Rwanda in 1994. They think they are ready because they are well equipped. I'm telling you, these people have guns. These people have everything to fight us. Since they are packing it in the bushes there. They are packing it. They have everything. But my dear, the gun doesn't fight. Your uniform will never fight for you. You don't know which tribe you are playing with. You out of the story. This time you will see the reality. They're just speaking of the genocide, but for us, we are even ready more than you. We are ready, even more than ready, to die for this land, to fight for our land, so that our children should get it. We have our ancestors buried in that land you are playing with. We have everything in the land. All our cattle have gone. All our riches have gone. We are left with that. Only that. And you people, I need to tell you, the people you are seeing, or us who are in the village that you are seeing, you think these are the only actually. You're wasting your time. We have our people. I'm telling you, we have our people. All over the world, you have our people. Start the war at your own risk. Start your genocide, the one you're telling us, at your own risk. We are ready for what you want to do. We are ready to fight for our land. We are ready for everything that you will start. Use the eviction period properly. Pack it. They said it eviction, is it ammonia or that kind of it? Use this period wisely to go with everything that you have and leave our land. Or you are also even free to use the word genocide you wanted to start well. Use it well. The meeting point is at the Karoma Bridge. Do whatever you want to do. I know you have your people in the army. You have everything. You have come from Rwanda in big numbers just to fight and to kill us, and then you take over our land. Never will that happen. I'm assuring you that it will never happen. We are more than ready because we cannot march. If you are to march, tear gas. If you are to talk, arrested. If you are to do what, you will arrest us, as you people have been doing it from time and again. Now, when we are seated like this and seeing you watching at whatever drama you are doing, you think that we cannot fight. You think that we are happy. It is good to stay with someone who talks than to stay with someone who is silent. We are silent watching at you. Now start anything you want to start at your own risk, period. Balal must go, and you will go. And you will never come back. Don't let me talk what is in my heart.